Today, I'm sharing with you 4 simple steps to make your first high-ticket affiliate commission. But first, I want you to understand this is not a get-rich-fast scheme. And what I'm about to share with you will help you to shorten your learning curve so you can get faster results, also know money in your bank account. You want to join a program where all the tools that are proven to convert leads are given to you, such as successful sales funnel setup for you, email marketing campaign set up for you, at least one free offer that you can use to generate leads and build your email list, social media swipes and email marketing campaign swipes so you can model. Keep in mind that anyone can create an account and click funnels and start creating funnels, but it doesn't mean that you will convert leads. Same for email marketing campaigns, social media content. If you're just starting, having all this ready for you to model is a plus. Besides that, very important, you want to promote a high-ticket program that has a fun closing team. As an affiliate marketer, your only job is to bring people to the company's door. A serious high-ticket affiliate program will take over your leads and close the deal for you. You also want to look for sales incentives to keep you motivated. And since this online world can be lonely sometimes, make sure you're joining a program with an active online community for support, inspiration, and motivation. No doubt you want to promote a program that over-delivers to your customers and makes you very proud to promote it. Times to focus on delivering goodwill, value. Take your time to understand your audience behavior on the other side of the screen. The thing is that many times, people don't go online to buy things. People go for entertainment, to look for answers. And you just need to give the answers they're looking for, where the product that you're offering is the solution of their problems. Does it make sense? For this specific strategy, my personal favorite platform to build audience is YouTube. Like Google, it's a search engine for videos. A well-planned video will generate leads and sales for years to come for you, while a post will get lost on social media walls in a week or so. But of course, all social media channels will work well when you take the time to learn their strategies. If your goal is to create passive income over time, make sure you automate your business with sales funnel and email marketing campaigns. Only 5% of people are ready to buy at the first time they see you. You want to build your email list to warm up the 95% and keep offering new products to those 5%, which will close the sales for you even when you're not working. The perfect business automation, in my opinion, is having a well-planned, evergreen content video with a call to action and links in the description. The links in the description will be collecting the email of your audience. Then you want to use email marketing campaigns to warm up your audience and close the sales for you. The good thing, you create the system one time, then new people will go through the whole process over and over again. From there, you just keep creating new content, building your digital estate. Sooner than you think, the digital estate will start bringing you money like a real estate would or more. We are so lucky to live in this new digital economy where opportunities are endless to go out there and create an insane amount of money without big investments and obstacles like it was before. If you're just starting your journey, please don't get so caught up with results in the first month. Understand that you're going to be doing a lot. If you have no experience in digital marketing, you have to learn from zero. So take your time to build up the online muscle, to build up the momentum. Think of a 5th grader learning basketball compared to Michael Jordan. The 5th grader needs to learn all the skills that Michael Jordan has already built up over time. Like the 5th grader, you have to learn a whole new skill set. So to get started, pick just one social media platform to start building your audience. Learn its analytics, get familiar with your audience online behavior, build your tribe online. If you're consistent with your work, I guarantee things will compound and they will start working for you. After you learn and master online sales and marketing, you're gonna be ready to either replicate the business in a different niche or even create your own product. If your goal right now is to make $10,000 a month, I'm sure you can reach your goal within 1 year or less, just promoting the right high-ticket program to the right audience. You're this close to reach your goal. If you see the potential of this massive opportunity, don't forget to join my newsletter in the description so I can share with you the best high-ticket affiliate program you can join to start making at least $2,000 commissions plus incentives. As always, if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you because my goal is to see you succeeding in this new digital economy. Make sure to support my channel by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. To build audience, it's YouTube.